ASTM is a standards organization similar to ISO or ANSI, where different government regulators and industry stakeholders come together to develop what are called consensus standards.
Well, we literally flew our entire team across the country. I mean, we went Alaska to New York. We had a limited number of days. We weren't expecting the weather conditions that we got. We were able to test in everything from freezing rain to snow, 37-mile-an-hour winds, you name it. We have pushed this system to every area of the flight envelope.
This standard is really important. The whole point of the standard is to give companies and operators a path towards compliance to fly a drone over people by using a parachute as the means of risk mitigation.
We wanted to prove to ourselves and to the world that this was a product that we knew worked from its core. We wanted to share that with other people. It was so surreal at the moment that we passed it that it was one of those moments that I couldn't be more proud. With all of the obstacles that were thrown at us that week, that our team was able to come together and pull through.